Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning if ChatGPT could be used for customer support. So as you can see, I've asked ChatGPT, can you resolve issues of our clients on our website? So it said that as an AI model, I can certainly help you address the issues your clients may be facing on your website. Please provide me with more details about specific problems or concerns that your clients have, and I'll do my best to assist you. So this gives a positive answer that yes, it has the potential to resolve the issues that our customers are having on our website. So you can simply use ChatGPT for that. And below I asked it that can you write a manual for using our website, and you can see it gave us a really nice format to write a manual, which includes a step-by-step process. So you can see introduction, getting started, user profiles, website features, troubleshooting, and finally conclusion. And last but not least, I asked ChatGPT, can you answer frequently asked questions on our platform or website, and it gave a positive response as well. It said, of course, please provide me with frequently asked questions related to your website and I'll be glad to answer them. So that means that it reflects a positive light of ChatGPT, that it could be utilized to answer the queries that our users are having on our website. So you can use it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.